Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chetan Programming. In the last video, we have discussed about data types and variables in Java. If you have not watched that video, the link is given in the description box or in the above I button. You can check it out. In this video, we will be discussing about constants. Let's get started. What are constants? These are the fixed values which do not change during the execution of the program. Means these are fixed values which does not change. Constants are also known as literals. These are also known as literals. They require a keyword, that is final keyword in the declaration. The syntax to declare a constant is final data type variable name is equal to value semicolon. Example, final int x is equal to 10 and int x is equal to 10. Here final int x is equal to 10 is a constant and this is not a constant because no final keyword over here. That's why this is not a constant. Now Java constants are divided into two types, that is numeric constants and character constants. Numeric constants are further divided into two types, that is integer constants, real constants. Character constants are also further divided into two parts, that is character constants and string constants. Now we will be discussing each one of them in detail. Integer constant are divided into three parts, that is decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Decimals are the numbers that are formed by the combination of the numbers from 0 to 9. Example 111 or 936 or 785 and so on. Octals are the numbers which are formed from the combination of 0 to 7. Example 127 or 756 and much. Hexadecimals, these are formed from the combination of 0 to 9 and alphabets from capital A to capital F. Example 9A 8E. This is an hexadecimal because it is formed from the combination of the numbers 0 to 9 and alphabets A to F. 9A 8E. Now real constants. What are real constants? The numbers that contains the fractional part is called real constants. The fractional parts, examples 0.0026843 or 3 by 2 or 9 by 7. These all are real constants. Real constants are divided into two parts, that is mantissa and exponent. If I write as 1.25, then the integer part, that is 1, is known as mantissa and the decimal part is known as exponent. Now literals. Integer literals are these floating points, it means decimals. These boolean true or false. Boolean literal stores only two values, that is true or false. Character literals. Character literals are the literals which are enclosed within a single quote, such as A or Q or Z within single quotes. Anything which is written in a single quote is a character. String literals. These are the literals that are written within double quotes. Hi or welcome. Anything that is written within double quotes is a string literal, but all these literal require final keyword in their declaration. Now let us have a quick recap. Java constants are of two types, numeric and character. Numeric are divided into two types, that is integers and real. Character constants and string constants. Make sure that you subscribe my channel and like this video and share it with your friends.